Welcome back to episode 15 of Crypto Technical Analysis. I'm Adam, your host, and we're going to go into from the last episode. We were trying to do the Android material design drawer dissolve between two image views into like the drawer into an arrow. So we kind of have that. We have this converted to an arrow right now, but it was partially a way through. We're going to convert it back to the drawer when our view goes away. So let's try to do that. Remember, we were in our main activity. Part of here is display indicators. We do a rotation, and then we also fade. We draw for the drawer image, we rotate it, dissolve it, and this is a duration. And then the collapsing arrow, we rotate it. I think we're rotating it in the wrong direction. It should be, I think, 360. It's pointing, as you can see on our simulator, it's pointing in the wrong direction. We want it to point the other way. And we fade that in, and it's a 200 duration. We want to also set the drawer. Once it's done, we want to rotate it back. Let's see, how do we want to do this? Maybe we'll go to not the display indicator, but the hide indicator. So we'll take these same ones. We want to change the drawer to come back in animation. Maybe rotate this back to normal, and then maybe we'll rotate the arrow back to 0, and we want to fade that out. So let's try that out. I think I also commented the printing out getting the current price on the data source. Oh, getting US dollar value, we should print that out, or comment that out too. And found price, we'll comment that out. Right? Yeah, we don't need that every time. It kind of gets in the way. See where we're at on the build. It's still running. Alright, it's done building. Let's see what's going on here. Loading. See, it's yellow, it's loading. It's not clickable until it's white. There we go. Bam. Ooh, I love it. That is awesome. Slick. It's actually exactly what I wanted to do for... That's it, really. Perfect. Well, that was super simple. I didn't realize how close I was to getting that done. So we can call this done, and then we can go over kind of what we have on the docket of things to do. Call this done. Done, and that was 5/13/2018. Oh, a lot of things done. Definitely a pause in there. I had to take a break, but okay. Let's look at what we have on the docket. We have a to-do for the space between the graphs. In the simulator, you can see we have this space, and I have the graph outlined both grass outlined, and that's kind of the edge. I believe that was the edge. I think there's another way to see the full edge. I think, what did I do? Maybe we'll do the investigation of that. The next thing on the list is adding different indicators. Oh, we did the pivot. No, we don't have the pivot point. Do we have pivot points? No, we have zigzag, not pivot points. And then we also have the overlays version 2.0. That's another thing on the list. That's a more polish. And then let's see what else we have. Converting a drawer to activity bar. I don't think we're gonna really do that because that seems to be, we kind of have that right now. Because this is really doing exactly what we want. We don't really need to have anything else. So, so I'm not going to really want to do this. This is going to be way low on our priority lists. And then adding tabs. Oh yeah, so I have the idea of having like maybe tabs down here to select for the cards, or maybe, yeah, cards. Kind of like what we have, what Crypto Watch has. Let me show the full screen over here. Kind of like something like this. I kind of like the cards where you can see the graph, highlight the graph, and then maybe something like this. I don't know. Just an idea. So that's something to look into. Turn off that. So that's adding tabs to do that. But then custom settings to change to the UI, one-handed UI, which we have right now. We have the one-handed UI. What I'm coining that as, we have our menu bar on the bottom to make it easy for people to use. I wonder if putting this on the other side would make it even easier. I don't know. I think this is okay right now. I really like the animation, that's cool. Okay, so what we'll do is we'll look into doing some research on the space between the graphs, since this is a waste of space and it'd be nice to have them really tight together. Oh, yeah, get that refresh. Really tight together. So this is going to be just searching the internet. So let's turn on the full screen, and we want to search, remove, this is, what views do we have? What kind of view do we have? We had recycler view, space between items in recycler view. Remove strange space between recycler views. So match parent. Okay, linear. The black space is showing. Yeah, that doesn't do it. Wanted to space between items. Layout, wrap content. Item layout. Match parent, Adapter. That's how it looks. I'm not sure if that was the greatest image to say. So previously list view, divider, and divider height. Divider item decorator. Okay, let's try that. Oh. There's a class in the support library. Let's try this out. Header, footer, page technician. Circular view item decorator. I think we have something like that going on. Item decorator. Let's try to look at that. Or circular view margin. Get item offsets. I think we set this all to 0. -0. Only add padding to the 0th item. Yeah, I'm not sure if that did anything. Let's, there's a way to box in the items, I believe. Recycler view. Adding the background color, maybe. Project, border. Does the border do anything different? Is it loaded yet? Guess so, but I don't see anything. Yeah, we can remove that. We want to do and there's a background, I think, somewhere. Background. Nope, none of those. Dirt style that we could add a background here. Background. Nope. Let's look at here. Using your recycler view. Don't really want that. Okay, so look at the activity and look at the recycler view and layout margins 0, and we'll do padding 0 too. And as part of the chart list adapter, when we do the creation of the charts, we need to ensure that the padding is all 0. Chart, bar chart, bar chart holder, chart. This is the bind. This is a create, I believe, too. Okay. Yeah, these are the creating the charts. Recycler view holder. I wonder if there's a way to main chart, combine chart, to do like padding. Oh, and so the recycler view is defined somewhere. Recycler view holder. Oh, it's defined right here, but we kind of want to set the, if we can. We really want to do setting layout parameters. parameters. Let's see what that is. Fill parent. Yeah, let's try fill parent. Equals view group dot fill view group layout parameters layout dot fill match parent. Let's see what this does. What's the error here? Oh, it's a negative value. Well, this should be okay. Required layout parameters found int. Maybe we'll try to figure out the layout parameters. Maybe let's try to set those margins or something. Where are we at? We are not there. Not there. There we go. Well. Animation layout parameters? Nope. Not height or width, because that's not really what we want to mess with. No margins. View holder margins. Okay, here we go. Layout parameters. That's kind of what I think this is what we want. LP dot layout parameters equals LP, and we want to match parent wrap content. Let's try that out. Oh, okay. Oh, yeah, and set margin right here. 0, 0, 0. Let's try that out. See if that does anything. Doesn't look right. There is something that's wrap content, I believe, that we were messing with once upon a time ago. We'll just comment this out because this doesn't do anything. There is wrap content. Bar chart. Maybe we need to look at the resources. Layout. Activity main. No. Combine chart view. The width match parent route content. Yeah. View layout holder. No, that's not it. Overlay, recycler view, not that one. Our overlay recycler view. So that's this guy too, has a. Maybe we can add our like lines in this recycler view too. Maybe that will help us out. So let's try to do that. So our overlay recycler view, drop down menu, overlay adapter. Is this recycler view? Yes. Overlay adapter, so this is overlay. Overlay adapter. What is going on? Did I do something? No. Maybe I just need to do a rebuild project. So we set our overlay adapter to this adapter. Then we have our layout manager, which is vertical, and indicators recycler view. I don't think it's that. Maybe it it's part of the main activity. Indicators, secular view. Now we're trying to add some I wonder if it makes sense to even have using a recycler view. If we just should use a list view. Overlay, drop down adapter. That was a list view, I think. It was something like that. Yeah. Recycler view, decorator, solutions for 6. New divider, item decorator. Simple item decorator. Linear divider item decorator. I don't really want to do that. And offset. There's a lot involved with this. Continue looking up for something else. adding. So item decorator, avoid adding dividers to the view layout. Alright, looks like we want to do our item decorators. It's just going to be little things. Alright. I don't want to look at that one. Card view, but yeah, I don't know if I want to use card view. Creating a list using the recycler view. Yeah, this is kind of what I want to look at. We're not doing fragments. Using a list, using a recycler view. Sample code for recycler view app. Recycler view, vertical, match. Okay. We got him linear layout. Yeah, that looks good. Adding a list adapter. I think we got that all squared away. Modify the layout. We have the linear layout, yeah. Provides function like list view layout. Good. Adding animations. We don't care about selection. Right now. Kind of look at recycler view. Create, on create, linear layout. looks okay. Custom adapter, view holder, that's okay. Yeah. I don't see any like decorator. This library does not provide a default visual decoration for selected items. You must provide them when you implement the bind view holder recommended approaches. Well, we're kind of getting down a track that's not really helping out too much. I knew this one was going to be a tough one to really find out. Divider item decorator class. I guess we could just try that. Add this in, plop it down there. Don't die on me now. I knew it would die for some reason. So we could do divider, item decoration is divider, also var divi, there we go. Divider item decoration. And context and orientation. So the context of secular view get context. Layout manager. Set orientation. Dot layout manager. Dot get orientation. Yeah. I'm just going to delete this and just try to do this. Let's see. This dot set item. Add item decoration. And this would be divider, item decoration. This orientation would be vertical. Dot orientation. Orientation. I feel like there should be an orientation. Set orientation. M orientation. Get orient, no. I'll just do this, linear layout vertical. Let's try that and see if it does anything. If this, yeah, I'm probably just gonna call it for this after this. Yeah, this is a tough one. We're getting into the hard issues. Maybe I can just ignore this one for now. Move on. So, okay, there's the item decorator. There's just a lot of space within the I think in the in our spinner overlays, is that it? Yeah, relative layout, wrap content. Oh, large margin layout. Start top. I feel like I could change this to constraint layout. Convert relative layout to constraint layout. Yeah. Start of start, top of top, bottom of bottom, parent. Same one, top of top, bottom of bottom, parent. Top of top, bottom of bottom. Missing label, provide either a view with label 4 or references to. Missing accessibility level, provide enter a view with label 4. Yeah. See what this looks like now that we've changed the constraint layout. It looks a little cleaner, I think. Remove those margins. Looks pretty nice. I think that there's still some padding in between. Margin 0. Padding 0. Relative layout. This is used. No. Spinner, overlay. Overlay. Spinner overlay. Find that. Okay. Yeah, I think of just whatever this is, it is right now. I'm going to call it after this run. Yeah, we still have some padding in here and there, and so we'll continue to look at this space between the graphs and really any recycler view items. Alright, well, thank you everyone for joining, and until next time.